Fiberglass Automatic Multi-Head Drill On-Site Application Demonstration Episode 1. Today, let me introduce to you a machine specifically designed for the fiberglass profile industry multi-head drill for punching holes. You can see the length of this machine, and the entire length can be punched into a long strip of 6 meters at once fiberglass reinforced plastic. We have equipped the customer with 25 drilling heads, which can simultaneously drill 25 holes at once. Come on, this will solve the problem of low efficiency and poor accuracy. Now let me activate it and show you how long it takes for one action. Everyone can see that basically one action takes 3 to 5 seconds. We have set up a vacuum cleaning system for our clients here, and we have made 6 industrial bag vacuum cleaners. Every drilling head is in a sealed state when it is driven down. You can see that when it is fed, the drill bit cannot be seen because it is hidden inside the brush for sealing, ensuring that the generated fiberglass or debris will not fly out. There is also a groove underneath that runs debris, which was sucked away by a vacuum cleaner. Therefore, here we will focus on the upgraded original top sealing and bottom vacuuming system. It is specifically designed to target this type of fiberglass, which cannot be seen or pricked on the body, causing itching. It eliminates the possibility of harm to the human body or if it enters the respiratory tract and has an impact on it. If the customer only needs to drill some of them and not drill others, then we will only choose to keep it stationary from 1 to 5, and it will move from 6 to 25. This is one of the functions we have done, with multiple options available. I will activate it. As you can see, it moves from 6 to 25 and remains stationary from 1 to 5. This is a multi-head optional feature. As you can see, it moves from 6 to 25 and remains stationary from 1 to 5. This is a multi-head optional feature.